Hi everyone, welcome. Well guys, as you can see, I've finished my Stephen West Mystery Knit Along, the first time I've ever done one. And I think about a week after he, the Mystery Knit Along had finished, he went on to tell us about Hyber Knit Along, which starts on the 26th of December, we cast on. And I'll put the link to the videos below, guys. And I use botanical yarn for this, and I'll put their link below, the yarn I used, beautiful yarn. So I ordered his book, which has got the pattern in, and then I went on to Botanical Yarn and bought the yarn as well. So that is what I'm sharing with you today. So let's get into it. Oops. So I didn't want to show the book without the yarn, and obviously the yarn without the book. So I've waited patiently for the book to arrive. From Denmark, where Stephen West lives, and he has a shop called Stephen and Penelope. So I didn't order the yarn from there, guys, because the tax the tax that I paid the last time I made an order from Stephen's shop was let's put it this way, I fell off my chair. Okay, so I've got, and there's lots of so there we go, I've got my book, yay. And I think he's just an amazing there's so many patterns in here. Let me see. Oh, look at that hat. And this is all Hyber knitting. Hyber knitting is the coziest time of year when the light fades and invites new colourful knitting projects to keep us warm and inspired. And he is an artist, guys. I mean, oh, he's amazing. Look at them socks and the scarf. And then we've got, this is the shawl that we're going to be making. Isn't that amazing? So, and there's hats in here, there's socks. Let me just go through. Is there, yeah, the Aurora Cabin Shawl, it's called. And I'm so excited to cast this on. We've got the Painting Columns cowl, and which is that. So yeah, so, and look at his little dogs, Brioche and Stitch they're called. Aren't they just cute? So what's that? And at the back of the book as well, there's a code that I can use for to download the Ravelry, which is good. Yeah, there's abbreviations at the back, but that is essential what is there. So I can see 2023, guys, being quite a busy Stephen West project year. So that's the book. So now you want to see what yarn I've chosen, what colours I've chosen. So I did kind of autumnal colours for this one, but with it being winter, I wanted something a bit different, something more, something that was me. So it's come nicely wrapped in tissue paper. And oh look, I've got my raffle ticket for the end of the month, and yay! I've got upcoming events and that, so that's that. So guys, they're my colours. Yay! So Aurora Cabin kit. Sorry about the crinkle, guys. Let me just take it out of here. I'm really sorry, guys. Sorry. So look at this. So this is Superwash Merino 75% and 25% nylon, 425 meters. So that's colour 1. This is colour 2. And then we've got a nice, like, what colour would I call that? I would call that, like, I can't think of the word at the moment, but then they're 3 of the colours. And then, obviously, guys, you knew I had to do purple, didn't you? So them colours go really nice. And then, obviously, we've got the top of, I would call that, what colour would you call that? Like a chestnut. So I think they are going to look amazing. So I've got my lovely yarn, and I've got my Hibernate. So yeah, guys, so I'm all ready. I just need to read the pattern, check what needles I need, get these caked up, and that'll be a job and a half. And then I can play. I'm so excited. Who'd have thought I'd get so excited over knitting a shawl? But anyway, guys, that's all from me for today. Are you taking part? Check out the links below for the videos from Stephen West introducing the Aurora Cabin shawl, which starts on, we all cast on the 26th of December. This little girl's excited, guys. So that's all from me for today. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye.